Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have all the compatible accessories for the Camovue Talon Pro, which is a 4K 4G LTE trail camera with live view and starlight night vision. I have made a video in the past, you can check down below in the description after the end of this video. So let's start with the security box. SB10 it is the model. We have the manual, nothing else at the box, metal security box, slide up, unlock. I like the camouflage. At the back here we have the slot for the straps. Left and right the holes for the cable lock, and here for the padlock. No lock included at the box. And of course the holes here for the antenna. I like it. Very durable case, difficult to bend. Let me show you how you can install the camera. Camera goes here, locks, and of course you can install and the antennas. Built for the Talon camera series, this security box provides maximum protection against wildlife, harsh weather and theft, ensuring your camera's safety in the field. Now let's move on with a cable lock, SL10 the model. The manual. And the length, it is 1.5 meters, very convenient. Secure the Talon Pro with this sturdy cable lock, ensuring it stays firmly attached to the tree, significantly reducing the risk of theft. Each pack includes 2 keys. It locks, rotate, unlock. And for storage we have in this plastic, this hook. Let me show you how you can install that with the security box. Of course you can use the lock and without the security box. Let's remove the camera from the box. There it is, at the back. If you think no one will steal your camera and you don't want to use the security box, but definitely highly recommended to use the security box. No need to remove the antennas if you want to remove the camera from the box. So there it is. Camera together with the security box you can lock at the tree. And if you want, you can use the same lock and at the front. And again recommended, use second lock at the front. More than one lock, you can make the other's life difficult. Okay. Just pull and you can remove the lock. Next we have the solar panel and of course and the micro SD card. Record locally on the micro SD card even when the network is off. You can access the footage. 64 gigabyte. Huge envelope. Instructions. So many accessories. Solar panel, 6 watts. Connect your Camovue solar camera to this solar panel using the included 4-meter connection cable. There's the connection for the camera, USB, Type-C. Let me remove the camera. It is waterproof, this camera. There it is. Install again on the box. And then connect the solar panel. There you have it. So easy. Thin solar panel. I like the color. Is matching with the case and the camera. Camovue. Included we have the bracket, adjustable bracket. You can adjust. Use the pack of screws. 3 screw holes. 1 bracket foam padding. Peel off and install here. If you want to use this bracket with 3 screws. If you want to use the included strap with a length 1 meter, then you need to use the mounting plate. With the other type of screws, and then you can install and the strap. Before installing the bracket, install the strap and then the screws. There it is. If you want to secure the solar panel with the strap at any tree, you have in this option. I like that. And we have in this adapter for other type of cameras from Type-C to micro USB. Perfect. And the bracket goes here at the back. So many accessories. Adjustable. Find the right position. Get non-stop power supply. Easily mount the panel wherever there is an ample sunlight. And just a few hours of sun can keep your camera running all day. And with a lithium battery pack, extend the operational time of your Talon cameras with its rechargeable lithium battery pack. Compared to traditional dry batteries, this pack doubles your camera's battery life and makes it rechargeable. It can provide continuous power when paired with a solar panel. And that's a look at the essential accessories of your Camovue Talon Pro. I hope this overview helped you figure out which ones will best suit your needs. Whether it's extending power with the solar panel or ensuring security with the lock box, this can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helped the channel. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more trail cam reviews and outdoor tech guides. All the links for the accessories mentioned today are down in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.